Stripe is paying around $7 billion for OpenRouter, a 90-person company whose product at the code level is a reverse proxy that forwards your API call to someone else's model and adds 5.5%. 12 weeks before the deal, investors valued that proxy at $1.3 billion. You could vibe code the tech yourself in a weekend. We'll show you why Stripe wants it and whether the funeral Reddit is holding for it is justified. Send $100 of inference through OpenRouter and the bill reads $105.50. The 100 goes to whoever ran the model at that provider's list price. OpenRouter keeps the $5.50 for forwarding the request, picking which of the 16 hosts serving that DeepSeek model gets it, retrying when one falls over, and putting it all on one invoice. OpenRouter doesn't publish revenue, but the best outside estimate put it at about $140 million a year by July, meaning roughly $2.5 billion of model spent and 10 trillion tokens a day flowing through it. Now look at who keeps what underneath. Nvidia reported a 71% gross margin for the year, because it sells the chips everyone fights over. The lab that trained the model books your $100 and then pays the GPU bill out of it. Anthropic's inference margins went from under 40% to above 70% this year. The app at the top of the stack, the coding agent or the chatbot you pay $20 for, averages around 52% gross margin, with about $230,000 of inference cost for every million of revenue. The router takes the thinnest slice of everyone, and it is the only layer that never had to buy a GPU or train anything. In this stage of the market, the money goes to whoever owns the compute or the plumbing, while the flashy products built on top of the models fight each other for margin. Is it that simple? The forwarding part is one base URL swap, an OpenAI-shaped request, done. The maintenance is what people underestimate. And an OpenRouter board member said so on a podcast before the deal. He built a version of OpenRouter internally at Glean, found it easy to build, and then found it very annoying to maintain. 400 models across 80 providers, each with its own tool calling quirks, quantization choices, and weekly price changes, plus capacity deals, fraud, and a free tier you subsidize. Lite LLM covers the core of it in open source, and there are well over 100 open source gateways. The code is close to free. It's not for lack of trying that others didn't win this deal. Vercel runs a gateway with zero markup. Cloudflare's is free unless you buy credits through it. Ramp launched a router this summer, free until the end of the year. Ramp's own spend data still shows more than half the businesses buying inference on its cards paying OpenRouter. Ask the developers paying the fee, and almost none of them mention routing. They mention one key and one bill. They mention being able to try every new model the day it ships without opening a 20th account. They mention not stranding prepaid credits at a provider they stopped using, and being able to put a hard spend cap on Google's models without waking up to a $10,000 bill. The founder refused to build a smart router that picks the model for you, because developers wanted an API where you change the model name. Routing is the marketing. Every new developer makes the catalog worth joining for a new host, and the traffic in between produces a dataset nobody else has. Live prices, speeds, and uptime for every model from every host, which is why the OpenRouter rankings page became the industry's scoreboard. DeepSeek and Qwen together are close to a third of the tokens on it, served by hosts you've never heard of that get their customers for free. Traffic went from 5 trillion tokens a week to 25 trillion in 6 months, and then to 70, and one of those 10 million accounts is probably yours. Stripe already processed OpenRouter's payments, so it has a first-row seat for growth numbers. In January, it closed Metronome for about $1 billion, the usage billing company that meters OpenAI and Anthropic's own customers. In April, it shipped token billing and wallets that let an agent pay for things without holding your card. OpenRouter is the missing half. Metronome counts the tokens an AI company sells. OpenRouter counts and routes the tokens it buys. Stripe now sits on both sides of every AI company's margin. Stripe keeps about a third of a cent on a dollar of payments. OpenRouter keeps 5.5 cents on a dollar of inference, inside the fastest growing spend category there is. Stripe bought a product with a take rate 15 times its own. The reason a payments company can own the neutral layer and a cloud can't is that Amazon, Google and Microsoft all want your tokens on their servers, while Stripe doesn't care where your code runs as long as it takes the cut. Working developers mostly shrugged. Sentry uses it in production and still recommends it. The local LLM and roleplay subreddits wrote eulogies. Top comment in local llama, the meaning of the word open is being redefined, followed by hello closed router, and within 48 hours 2 engineers posted an open source fork, because when something called OpenX turns evil, you're supposed to make a new one called LibreX. The top reply to the fork: the code is 1% of the value, the rest is the provider relationships. Some of the fear is justified. Stripe's own prohibited business list bans adult content and names AI-generated content specifically, and a noticeable share of OpenRouter traffic is roleplay. Neither company has answered that. Nobody promised the 5.5% stays where it is. Neutrality got a blog post, equal footing for every model, promised by the people who just sold the company, with no board structure behind it. Add Stripe's reputation for freezing accounts with no appeal, scarier when the account is an agent burning tokens. Nothing changes the day the deal closes though, the product and its future stay the same, and Stripe trains no models of its own, so it has less reason to play favorites than a cloud or a lab would. Your exit is a base URL and a model string, which is the one lock-in problem OpenRouter never had. Stripe's own product shelf says what comes after that. Expect the OpenRouter account to become a Stripe product that meters your inference spend next to your customer revenue, with the agent wallet plugged in so a running agent can buy tokens and groceries on the same rails. The fee gets pressure from Vercel and Ramp's free offering, so the 5.5% either drops or turns into a bundle. If 2 or 3 frontier labs keep a lasting capability gap and sell direct, or if coding harnesses like Cursor decide which model to call before a request ever reaches a gateway, Stripe paid more than 50 times revenue for a worthless pipe. Visa exists as a neutral network because rival banks refused to use Bank of America's, so it got spun out. Stripe just ran that in reverse and bought the neutral thing into a company that sells to everyone. Don't panic migrate, put the base URL and the model slugs in config and turn on bring your own key for your main provider. That's 15 minutes of work you should do regardless.